Hi, I just released a free 5-day email newsletter course called The Paper Trail. And my intention in creating it was to share with you a tool that I've been using lately and getting a lot out of, and it's simply paper. There's a lot of talk about digital wellness and online addiction and all this, and I don't think anybody really has the answer. And there's a lot of talk about this, but I truly believe that what it comes down to is just what you practice. And I'm finding that paper is just the best way for reconnecting to my own experience and creating more of the things that come straight from my heart and are things that only I can create. And they're the things that I really want to create. I don't want to spend more time scrolling other people's content. I want to make my own stuff. And when I'm not doing that, just be present in my life with my relationships, with my attention. So the paper trail is a shortcut to making more of a practice of this, as opposed to reflexively picking up whatever device. Along with that, there's a downloadable zine, and what follows is instructions for how to assemble that zine. I hope you join me for the course. It's free again, and you can find it at papertrail.hame.inc. INK. See you there.